जब मेरे सारे फ्रेंड्स जो एयर हॉस्टेस फ्रेंड्स होते थे वो जब रात में दे लाइक ओके लेट्स गो आउट एंड पार्टी, मैं वहाँ पे बैठ के स्केच करती थी. So I started doing that and soon I realized that this is something that I can learn in interior design. And also interior design is an indirect form of art. One fine day, Exodus Cry, वो एक they're very strong community, so they were working on banning Pornhub. That is women trafficking, children trafficking. So they just connected with me, and because I'm a female street artist, they asked if I feel for the cause and if I want to do something. I was painting a red woman at that time on one of my walls. So I just thought that I'll do something more to it and I'll connect this artwork with that. But when I went there, I just couldn't understand what to do because I was not able to connect with the cause and with the work that I'm doing. It was just not connecting. I was standing there, but all of a sudden someone just happened to pass by bike pe, and they commented "Kitna legi," and just ran away. That's where it clicked me that okay, I can do something with this particular, what just happened, I can use this, get inspired. I wrote for sale, ऐसे tags लगा दिए मैंने पूरे मेरे painting में, for sale, for sale, for sale, for sale. Because that's what I was feeling. I was feeling that degraded by that person. It was as insulting and as disgusting as it could be. So I just wanted to put it out there. And I did it, and now they loved it, and it was an honor to be a part of something so strong. मेरा नाम स्नेहा चक्रवर्ती है और मैं एक स्ट्रीट आर्टिस्ट हूँ और मैं आर्ट एंटरप्रेन्योर भी हूँ. चाइल्डहुड मेरा काफ़ी एक्साइटिंग रहा है क्योंकि मेरे पापा एवरी 2 to 3 years दूसरे स्टेट्स में मूव करते रहे हैं. तो मैं एक्चुअली जब पैदा हुई थी उसके 1 साल बाद ही हम गुजरात चले गए थे. उसके बाद गुजरात से आसाम के बीच जितने भी स्टेट्स हैं हमने सारी स्टेट्स में थोड़े टाइम हम रहे हैं. आई ग्रू इन अ वे जहाँ पे मुझे कभी भी कुछ कंसिस्टेंट नहीं मिला. तो स्कूल, डांस, ड्राइंग, कभी भी कुछ भी मेरे लिए फॉर एवर नहीं रहा है. आई एम एक्चुअली अ सेल्फ टॉट इन एवरीथिंग वॉट एवर आई डू, एंड इट रियली वर्क्स फॉर मी, मेरे लिए, बिकॉज आई हैव बीन रेज्ड दैट वे, आई हैव बीन ट्रेन्ड दैट वे. तो मेरे लिए क्या होता है, अगर मुझे तुम बोलो कि ये गलती है या फिर ये गलत है, आप ए को ऐसे ए ना लिख के ऐसे लिखो, ये सही है, तो मैं वो याद नहीं रख पाऊँगी. बट जब मैं कोई गलती करूँगी कि मैंने ये लिखा और फिर मुझे वो ठीक नहीं लगा एंड देन आई विल राइट इट डिफरेंटली, आई विल ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट. I want to keep doing what I'm doing, and I want to do a lot of, I want to hustle a lot, I want to experience a lot. बहुत उल्टा फुल्टा करना चाहती हूँ मैं, before I come to a point जहाँ पे मैं बोलूँ कि हाँ, this is who I am, this is my artwork, this is my style. So yeah, this is my college. I think I am in a college right now and I'm learning. घर पे जो मेरी हाउस हेल्प है, she is as amazing as she is, she also has her own baggage of struggle. वो शायद मैं empathize ही कर सकती हूँ. She has a lot of struggle, but the way she speaks and the way she comes with a good morning every day, that face, I think that's extremely inspiring for me. So I am painting her. I'm painting her on one of my walls, and I think you'll get to see that soon. So yeah, that's definitely one of the people around me who have recently inspired me a lot. I also get very inspired by people who never give up. The ones who keep going no matter what. The hustlers. They are the strongest for me. So I think she's a hustler. And her story really inspires me, and every day she shows up, no matter what, she shows up. if you love what you do, you'll not stop, but the ones who are questioning you are going to get exhausted, but you're not going to get exhausted.